Today we're going to introduce a chicken wing recipe by using 3 main ingredients: a pack of wings, Coke, and soy sauce. So first we need to cut the wings into 3 pieces. To break down the whole chicken wing, the trick is to find the joint where the wing bends. If you're not sure where the connecting point is, move the 2 parts and you'll easily find it. You can also use your finger to kind of feel out, and then it's very easy to cut through. As nobody in my family likes to eat the wing tips, we will throw them away, but if you're a tip lover, just keep them and cook them with the wings. You just throw them in. So after we break down the wings, we'll need to score the wings so the wings absorb the flavor from the sauce more easily. After we split all of the wings, leave them in a saucepan, boil some water, and add it to the pan. So simmer the chicken while we prepare the sauce. You want to use a cup of Coke and a half cup of soy sauce. We're using a whole pack of wings, 5 pounds. You can adjust the quantity of Coke and soy sauce based on how many wings you have. Chop some garlic, ginger, and spring onion. Heat a pan. Add oil. Add your garlic, ginger, and spring onion to the pan. Add the chicken after. Stir the pan. And add your sauce. Cover the pan and bring to a boil. So 5 minutes after cooking, turn the heat down to medium and let the wings cook and absorb the flavor of the sauce. 15 minutes later, take the cover off and turn up the heat. Stir and let the sauce reduce. So at this point you can taste to see if the sauce is salty enough, or even taste one of the wings. The longer you cook, the sauce will reduce more and will become more and more salty. You can stop cooking at any point when you feel the flavor is right. This braised chicken is very tender and tasty. It's amazing the combination of Coke and soy sauce can achieve such delicious flavor. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. So the whole thing behind the Coke is if you use normal Coke, it's sweeter and contains sugar, so at the end, when the sauce is reducing, it'll be very thick. If you use normal Coke, be careful not to burn the sauce. It can be the same for Pepsi. Pepsi is the same as Coke.